Alright guys, this is Carl Clash here with an update on my new arsenal. I have finished the pistol of awesomeness. I call this pistol HELLHOUND. That was HELLHOUND, my friend. Looks pretty cool. I made sure I put some red plate for the blood. That, my friend, is HELLHOUND. Alright, my friend. Sorry, I had to take some photos. Here is the next best gun. Next thing we have is where's the other magazine for it? Sorry, I'm looking for the other magazine for it. Okay, so okay. Alright, where is it? Advanced servicing. Credits to them. I didn't want to say that without. There's the magazine. Alright, give me a minute. Alright, give me a minute. Ready? You might not be able to see it, but that's the slide. There's the mag. And I have a Lego LMG heavy machine gun. I call this the Type 26. I don't know. It's a decent LMG. It's more of an anti-aircraft LMG. Here it is. The slide. Here are the sides, just these giant sticks here. Extra grip. Magazine, I can't take this out. I can't master that if I go. Sorry, technical difficulties. Please stand by. I broke it. Use the site. So that was my thing. And after all, we have yours truly, Hellhound. I can't take this to school, sadly, because they have a no gun policy. Sorry, this gun is not a... Fun fact, this gun is not a real gun. This is a trashy Walmart pistol that I got at the Walmart that I literally painted. Here is what it looked like before. Let me grab the other pistol. You see this color situation? Yeah, that's a problem. No magazine. And this is Hellhound. And this is Hellhound. So yeah. So yeah, those are my main guns from my arsenal. I've already given you a tour. So that's pretty much it for this video. Once again, here's another look at Hellhound. Here, let's go to somewhere to place brighter. Here's Hellhound. That's the Deagle. Give me all your money. Give me your money. This is Hellhound. So you can clearly tell, look at the side. That says blood. The other side says hell. And as you, so most pistols like have a little slide here. This pistol sadly does not have it. So like when you're empty, the barrel will go out like this, and then you'll so you reload, take the magazine out, and put this, and then close the slide. Deagle has the same thing. You close the slide. See, like it'd be open, and you press the thing. Here you go. Should be able to do it with your thumb in real life though. So yeah. So yeah. This took me at least a week to make. Let's hope I don't get arrested for making something like this or when I go out for Halloween. Let's hope this doesn't happen. This is probably one of my best creations or models that I've made. This is probably my own custom. It's a custom pistol. It's pretty cool if you ask me. There you go. Pistol is highly versatile. I broke the hammer mechanism to make it so I pull the hammer back. Ready? And the hammer pulls back like just like that, see? Just like that. Probably the closest I can get to a freaking pit viper or a combat master. Oh, I was gonna make a fancy version, like, you know, if you watch my YouTube videos, there's Bellum for Critical Strike. It's a game that I play, and it's like the fancy version. They'd have like gold streaks on it, and they would have weird little cool designs. You know, that was Bellum. It wasn't really that cool. I mean, from my point of view, it was really cool because it was fancy, and so yeah, I love this thing. I'm gonna take it up for Halloween. By the way, if you want to see me for Halloween, I will be in Blue Hill. I will be in Blue Hill, Nebraska. So please see me. I will be hanging out with some of my old friends from Blue Hill. But I don't really need to worry about that now that I am a Raider. And I love being a Raider, personally. I'm gonna tighten the screw on one of these before I stop the video. There you go. So if you want a pistol like this, just go to Walmart. You're gonna need the paints. You're just gonna be straight, flat black paint, and let's see here. Where's that red? And then you are going to need gloss red. Yeah. So yeah. This is probably one of my greatest things I made yet. Please comment on this. See if you like. If you like it, please give the video a like. It'd be pretty cool if you did, not gonna lie. I need likes, dude. So, anyways, this is Parker Rossick's out. Give me all your money.